strong online appearance होना is not just an option, it's a necessity. Either you're a data scientist, full stack developer, or any other tech profile, even non-tech profile, you should have your presence on these platforms. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shivani Canada. तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे how to get yourself ready for a tech job, how to build up your profile on हमारे GitHub, LinkedIn and Kaggle. So सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं हम GitHub. GitHub एक बहुत बड़ा ओपन सोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं कोड्स within organization maybe or as a part of group or as an individual contributors as well. बहुत सारी companies, जितनी भी companies में मैंने आज तक काम किया है, I've used GitHub throughout. At personal level, GitHub पे बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं. GitHub से you can host your own personal profile, you can create your own portfolio website as well, and I'll just show you how my GitHub looks like. I have been very active on GitHub. So yes, it's a good platform जहाँ पे recruiters could check your coding style, and that will be a plus point if you have more data in that.
So this is my GitHub profile. I've added a really cool intro recently, and this is how it looks. I've added few details about myself, how to reach me, my email, and stuff like that. It's up to you what you want. Then I've added some Git stats that are basically from GitHub, how many repos I have, contributions, etc. Then I've added my social media platforms, the languages and tools that I know, basically the skills, and the main repository codes that I want to show. So yeah, this is pretty much using a small readme file. You can create an intro of yourself on GitHub. Then moving on to the repositories are just your codes or your work that you have done about some projects or anything. So I always use a content file as well to put a brief about it. GitHub has a really cool feature that it allows you to host your own personal website just using your GitHub URL .github.io. Now let me show you how I hosted a website using GitHub. So this is my portfolio. I have a repo in GitHub that directly posted this website for me, and this is really cool and easy to make. It just get live within 10 minutes. You just need to make some changes in the code and that's it.
Second है हमारा Kaggle. Kaggle is also another platform, like it's also a contributing platform for coders, developers. इसमें competitions ज़्यादा होते हैं. So basically बहुत सारे companies के assessment test वो Kaggle के questions से भी होते हैं, Kaggle के data set competition से भी होते हैं. So do check out Kaggle. I was not very active on that in the earlier years, but I'm trying to be now.
Okay, so this is how my Kaggle profile looks like. इसमें थोड़ी सी details हैं about my login, how is my contribution and my activities, then like how many data set I've added, notebooks I have, competitions I've taken part in, and different stuff. Now it has little bit details of the community messages that what's going on. Then it also have competitions, data sets. Yeah, data set is something that you will find a tons of it. मतलब आप ज़रूरी नहीं है किसी भी डोमेन के हो, अगर आपको सिंपल एनालिसिस भी करना है यहाँ पे आपको हर एक चीज़ का डेटा मिल जाएगा दैट यू कैन जस्ट डाउनलोड. अब आगे आते हैं, इसमें और भी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस कर दी गई है, लाइक डिफरेंट कोर्सेज जो कि पहले नहीं थे अपेरेंटली. एंड सो बिगनर लेवल पे अगर आपको स्टार्ट करना है तो यू कैन गो थ्रू द कोर्सेज एंड यू कैन लर्न थ्रू द कोड्स दैट्स देयर.
Now the third, lastly, LinkedIn. Everybody knows it's a professional online platform, and वही सबसे मेन स्टार्ट होता है जहाँ से रिक्रूटर आपको सर्च करता है. आई रिकमेंड कि आप उसको एज प्रोफेशनल जितना रख पाते हो रखो. लाइक कीप अपडेटिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट्स, व्हाटएवर you are working on, post it. Then like add recommendations, maybe like whatever employees or teammates you're working with, tell them to recommend, write a recommendation on that. And अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स छोटे छोटे जो भी आपने ड्यूरिंग दी एजुकेशन किए हैं या फिर कॉलेज में स्कूल में किए हैं, जस्ट ऐड एवरीथिंग एंड कीप इट अपडेटेड.
So this is my LinkedIn profile, and there could be a number of ways how you can structure it according to yourself, but this is how I did it. I've pinned my featured post, then I've added in experience, the tech stack that I used and what was I responsible for. In short, not very specific. And same I've did for education as well. I've added projects, whatever I worked on. Then I've added for license as well, like I've added every details that I have in that. Then I have added projects as well. So same thing with projects as well, little bit details about it, what I did, and if there is a link to it. Then recommendations, as I said, ask your peers to add for you. Then these are some publications that I had.
So in conclusion, आपका GitHub profile, Kaggle profile, LinkedIn profile अगर आप updated रखते हो and you post your skills, you keep on updating that. So that is a first step in your strong professional profile building, and that is much recommended. So that is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Please leave comments if you need to know more about how to use GitHub and how to create this website. I would make another video on that. So till then, see you. Bye bye.